Oh, that's the cutest thing. Ow! Oh, it's you spiky man. God. It was all fluffy. I thought it was going to be fine. It's not fine. Wow. This is stupid. This is just, I can't even hold my camera. And I brought the little camera. I just saw a scaled quail. I'm pretty sure he blew away. I did not say flew away, I said blew away. Shit. You mother. Oh my God. I seriously don't know if this video is going to see the light of day. Because this is stupid. Okay, well, welcome to the windiest episode of the year.
July. It's, can't make that promise.
Well, I said so far. I meant, let me amend that, camera lady. The windiest episode so far. It's like sustained 40 to 50 and gusts of like 70 plus. It's insane. I'm gonna be honest. I wanted to cancel this episode and just call it quits because I'm struggling. Like, we came out here for sunset, potential lightning, and astro also. And we're not going to get any of those three. All we're getting is wind. But it's kind of apocalyptic. And I kind of wanted to look for some danger noodles, and I kind of wanted to look for some birds that are not flying, because birds are not flying in this. So I'm dual wielding today. I got the Olympus, the OM system, the OM1 Mark II, and the 1-400. So this is not a sponsored episode. If you follow my channel, the last few videos I've done, they sent me this, and they did pay for sponsored episodes, but they only paid for 3, and I'm supposed to be sending this back. But this is genuinely what I want right now. I didn't want or have anything in my Canon world that would work for that. So what I'm doing, but I don't have a wide angle for that. So that's why I'm dual wielding right now. I'm gonna throw my R8. I brought the R5 II with the 70-200, I mean with the 2470 for time lapses. I anticipated sunset and astro and time lapses, but in case I want wide angle, I'm gonna rock the R8 and my 16-35 and this. I'm not sure how that's gonna work because I don't really want to take a backpack.
Do you want me to carry one?
Oh yeah, you know what? Camera lady volunteered. She doesn't have anything on her, so camera lady can carry the camera lady sized camera. There you go, camera lady. Thank you. So if I see any wide angle, then maybe I will stop her and get anything. I was about to say the light's kind of flat, and then all of a sudden the sun poked out. Yeah, so I'm in a good mood. I'm always happy to be outside, but photographically, I'm a little down right now because I'm a little disheartened just with the conditions. But as camera lady said, maybe that's kind of good for everybody to see, you know, like I'm sure this has happened to you guys where you get somewhere and you have ideas and everything just tanks, like because of conditions or whatever. But let's just, you know, I'm happy to be out, so let's just go see what we can do. Wow. Just like the amount of wind and then being able to still handheld film, like, because I mean, I don't know how I accidentally turned my image stabilization off and it was like blowing me all around, and I realized, and I turned it back on and it was like, and it just like stayed locked down on it. The image stabilization of these two is insane. Pro tip for wind: if you have a big lens hood, take it off. I don't think this one's too big, but you know, like for my big Canon primes or like the bigger zooms or whatever, if you have a big lens hood and it's this windy, like 20, 30, 40, 50 mile an hour winds, just take the lens hood off because it's like a sailboat. Nope. Nope. I'm trapped. Harry, I've reached the top. Oh, that's a long way down, Brittany. Hey, there's the Halloween eagle. Yeah, didn't think that through. Okay, going down. Oh, slippy. Oh. Okay, that wasn't so bad, except for my knee is on fire. Ugh. Okay. There we go. Just got a curb-billed thrasher. He's so cute. Oh, he's still over here. He's right here. Oh, there he is. Look at him hop. Howdy, partner. Oh, sweet. Finally. Oh, there he goes. How's he flying, Brittany? Oh, there he is. Boy, he's quick. Wow. think we lost him. I think I got some shots though. Nothing like a curve-billed thrasher to perk your day up. Coincidentally, did you know that curve-billed thrashers are one of the two Patreon membership levels? You got the curve-billed thrashers, and the hoodies, the hooded mergansers for my Patreon. That was a very subtle yet slightly passive-aggressive hint that you should check out the Patreon if you want to support the channel and do image critiques and get cool BTS stuff and, you know. Brittany, I kind of like this light now. It's like diffused, but there's enough, and it's like when you get the side light on the rocks, either north or south, it's working out really well. It's so windy. Hang on to your telephotos. I just turned around right there, and on that perfect little branch was my favorite sparrow, the black-throated sparrow. In good light right behind me, except it was super windy. But I got him in his little, I should check, before I like get all excited.
I got it.
Yeah, I think I got him. It's not the best shot of a black-throated sparrow I've ever got, but they are my favorite. All right, well, it's a success because we got two of my favorite desert birds. If we could get some raptors and some danger noodles. I'm not trying to disturb them. I kicked one rock. We love the danger noodles. Oh, well, I guess we'll go that way. All right, now you do it. You jump. No, I jumped from down there. That was a hop. Ooh.
Proves that men are more dramatic.
When have men ever been more dramatic in our entire... Oh my God, Brittany. Oh, is my hair out? Oh, look, there he is. He's up on... Nice. I got video and photo. Cool. I'm gonna have to overexpose a little bit, but that's okay. I really, oh, it's ravens, but they're going away. I really like the light and the mountains and all that stuff back there, but I need to get to a better composition. Oh. All right, check this out. This is what I'm talking about. So I like those rocks and those mountains back there, and you know what I was saying, because the sun is over there, I like the light that way. So I'm gonna try to get a shot like that. There's a lot of depth in there, you know? And we do have a little bit of clouds, but I'm shooting at 100 on this, which is 200 full frame equivalent. So it's a little tight still. There, do a quick windy hand pano. I don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, I like the light this way too, but the foreground I don't like as, whoa, I don't like as much. Brittany, maybe we'll just sit down for a minute. Wow. My goodness, it's windy. Look at the windmill. Whose genius idea was it? What?
To come on top of the rock.
To get on top of the rocks? Well, I don't know. I mean, it was somebody's. Was it mine? It's just gone, isn't it? There. I fixed it. Probably. You know, we haven't seen any jackrabbits right now. Probably because if they put their ears up right now, they'll probably sail away. Come Sail Away would be an appropriate song right now. You think Styx would let us use it? No? Rude. Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, I got a couple of landscapes, a couple of birds. I think we're gonna end it here. I think we're about to lose our good light. I think this is about as good as the light's gonna get. The moral of the story is don't do what I almost did and don't quit, especially if you've gone to the trouble to go somewhere. Just go out and enjoy it. I mean, I had a blast out here, like just being out here, you know. It's a little hot, it's a little windy, but photographically, it wasn't the most amazing thing I've ever done in my life. But we got curve-billed thrasher, we got black-throated sparrow, and we got a couple of longer landscape stuff. And I think that's good. I'm pretty happy. I just wanted to get out today. Like we haven't been out in a while, and we had to come down this way for something else and then just, man, I'm really glad that we did stop and that camera lady forced me not to quit. So if you enjoyed this at all, you could thank camera lady for making sure we kept it alive. All right, well, let's take this opportunity to get out of here. I guess we'll have to come back another time for the Astro stuff. I totally did not check that weather at all. No danger noodles, Brittany. Very sad.